Ever wondered what the top food destinations in Africa are? Food tourism has seen a remarkable growth in recent years, and Africa, with its rich and diverse culinary heritage, is no exception. From the vibrant markets of Marrakech to the coastal city of Cape Town, Africa offers a unique blend of flavors that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. So are you ready to embark on a gastronomic adventure of a lifetime? Let us journey together across the continent to discover the top 5 food destinations in Africa. First stop, Cape Town, a melting pot of flavors. Nestled at the southern tip of Africa, Cape Town is a city where culinary traditions from 3 continents collide. African, European, and Asian influences weave a vibrant tapestry of taste that tells the city's rich history with every bite. Imagine the sweet, succulent flavor of freshly caught seafood, grilled to perfection and complemented by a drizzle of lemon butter. The city's coastal location means seafood is a staple here, with everything from juicy prawns to tender calamari gracing the plates of local eateries. And then there's the wine. Oh, the wine. The fertile valleys surrounding Cape Town are home to some of the world's most acclaimed vineyards. Whether you're a fan of crisp Sauvignon Blancs, bold Cabernet Sauvignon, or something in between, there's a Cape Town wine with your name on it. From fresh oysters to world-class wines, Cape Town is a food lover's paradise. Next, we head to the heart of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. This vibrant city is a feast for the senses, offering its visitors an unforgettable culinary journey. Addis Ababa's food culture is as unique as it is flavorful, anchored by the staple dish, injera. This sourdough risen flatbread with a slightly spongy texture is traditionally eaten with stews and salads, making each meal a colourful tapestry of flavours. But the city's gastronomic delights don't stop there. Addis Ababa is also the birthplace of the traditional Ethiopian coffee ceremony. This ritual, steeped in history and tradition, is an integral part of Ethiopian social and cultural life. The ceremony involves the careful roasting, grinding, and brewing of coffee beans, culminating in the sharing of the rich, aromatic brew. It's not just about the coffee, but also about the sense of community and hospitality that defines the Ethiopian people. With its rich flavors and time-honored traditions, Addis Ababa offers a dining experience you won't forget. Our culinary journey takes us next to the vibrant city of Marrakech. In the heart of Morocco, Marrakech is a city that prides itself on its culinary heritage. From the fragrant tagine, slow-cooked to perfection, to the fluffy couscous, each grain a testament to the chef's skill. The food here is a delightful exploration of taste and texture. The bustling markets, or souks, are a gastronomic wonderland, where the air is filled with the scent of sizzling skewers of meat, fresh bread, and sweet pastries. The street food in Marrakech is a feast in itself, offering an array of traditional Moroccan dishes. From the succulent merguez sausages to the sweet and sticky chabakia, each bite is an adventure. And let's not forget about the mint tea, a Moroccan staple, served piping hot in dainty glasses, a perfect end to any meal. In Marrakech, every meal is a feast for the senses. We're back in South Africa, this time in the coastal city of Durban. The city is a veritable feast of flavors, boasting a rich tapestry of Indian-influenced African cuisine. From the spicy bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry, to the tangy pickled fish known as prawn curry, Durban's food scene is a delightful dance of tastes and textures. So, if you're seeking a culinary adventure that's both familiar and exotic, Durban is a testament to the delicious outcomes when cultures and cuisines blend. Finally, we land in Cairo, where the flavors of the Middle East and Mediterranean meet. Cairo, the heart of Egypt, pulses with a rich culinary heritage that can be traced back centuries. Here, the food tells a story of a civilization that has been influenced by the many cultures that have passed through its lands. Take a bite into a warm piece of aish baladi, a traditional Egyptian bread, and you'll taste the essence of the Nile Delta. Let's not forget the Egyptian version of falafel, made from fava beans instead of chickpeas, a delightful twist on a Middle Eastern classic. Then there's the iconic kushari, a hearty mix of rice, lentils, pasta and tomato sauce, topped with crispy onions, a testament to the Mediterranean influence. For breakfast, nothing beats ful medames, a savoury fava bean stew, often served with boiled eggs and pickles. From falafel to ful medames, Cairo's food scene is as diverse as it is delicious. Africa, a continent where every bite tells a story. And what a story it's been, from the seafood haven in Cape Town, the coffee ceremonies in Addis Ababa, to the bustling food markets of Marrakech. We've tasted the Indian-influenced African cuisine of Durban and savoured the Middle Eastern and Mediterranean fusion in Cairo. Each destination, a unique culinary adventure, painting a vibrant palette of flavours across the African landscape. So, for all the foodies out there, it's time to add Africa to your must-visit list. Bon appétit!